With no doubt, we have been through a roller coaster of emotions and hard moments. The worst of all has been, besides the virus, the loss of a Cuban master, Vicente Dópico Lerner, a great artist and a friend. We continue working on his legacy. We have converted these hard moments into opportunities, being more creative, building up a spirit of perseverance, energetically working, representing our Latin American artists. And the event that has brought us most of the joy has been the first edition of LinkedIn New York City Women of the World. Thanks to the enthusiasm of many female artists from 23 different countries, we strongly believe this event finally will happen in New York City the year 2021. All this to say that we are ready for the new world. Let's be kind to one another, let's be conscious about our acts, and let's be true to ourselves. Felices Fiestas. Happy holidays.